Welcome to MobilBid Learn. Silent auction tutorials. Complete auction setup and management training sessions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up payment options for your auction. MobilBid recommends Stripe as its preferred payment processor. We chose Stripe because they offer the best mobile payment gateway for worry-free security. Stripe also has a transparent pricing structure based solely on transaction fees. Stripe also offers a non-profit rate. MobilBid will also work without a Stripe payment option configured. You can accept payments offline using your own payment processing terminal, or accept cash and checks. Before you start, we recommend you have the following items ready to open your Stripe account if required. You may find it helpful to set up your Stripe account before we begin. To do so, go to stripe.com, click Start Now and follow the helpful instructions within Stripe. With your Stripe account created, from your dashboard, click on the Account menu in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Account Settings. Now click on Credit Card Settings. And click on Connect with Stripe. Select OK to confirm you want to connect with Stripe. Now click on Sign in with Stripe to connect. Log into your Stripe account. Once logged into Stripe, you can now click on Connect My Stripe account. And now, your auction is connected to Stripe and is ready to accept payments. To confirm the settings, click on the Account settings in the top right. Select Organizations. Select your organization. And go to your admin dashboard. Click on Options. And select Admin Dashboard. From your admin dashboard, scroll down, and confirm Stripe mode is showing live in the settings. You've now set Stripe to accept credit card payments for your auction. You now have the option to request credit card details to be entered by guests prior to making their first bid. This option now appears within the auction settings, found off the left menu in Settings. If enabled, this can be confirmed in the Dashboard Settings section. This option immediately processes all winners' credit cards at the end of the auction and issues receipts. Congratulations, you have set up your payment options and you can accept credit cards for your auction. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I'm going to review the event dashboard with you.